This evening we will try to seek a mind which is not the product of practices of meditation. We are seeking a mind which is not product of technical practices of meditation. A mind which is not disciplined. What we are seeking, a mind which is not disciplined. A mind which is not under compulsion. A mind without any effort. I spoke few lines. What we are seeking here, we are seeking a mind which is free from all kind of disciplines. When the mind is free from all kind of disciplines, this kind of mind is known as whole mind. There is no distraction. What is my meaning? Distraction means when you try to discipline your mind, in your mind, a controller controls you. When there is a controller in you and your activities, that controller and your mind, they are in conflict. When they are in conflict, this is known as distraction. What is my meaning of distraction? Distraction means the act of distracting. There is a will inside you to live a life in a discipline. There is a controller in you. That controller and your mind both are in constant conflict. When there is a conflict, there is a distraction. So the thought to get a disciplined life, thought to practice a meditation, itself a distraction in your mind. This is the meaning. You want to achieve a result. When you want to achieve a result, there is a division, distraction. There is a separation in your mind. What we are seeking here, we are not seeking distraction. We are not seeking separation. We are not seeking any kind of isolation. We are seeking here whole mind, wholeness, totality. That totality is my meaning. So when you try to discipline your mind, mind is divided in two parts. When you try to practice any meditation, mind is divided in two parts. When there is division, there is distraction. Where there is distraction, there is conflict. We want to understand the real original meaning of our conflict, from where conflict comes in our mind, and through this conflict, how we solve our daily problems. Generally, we all people know we face many problems. Please try to listen my discussion attentively. Please attend every word. If you will miss the word, then understanding is little bit difficult. I described in beginning, I am seeking a mind which is not distracted, which is not divided. And you divide your mind on the name of practices meditation. You divide your mind on the name of discipline, on the name of learning. We are interested here to make our mind whole. When we are able to make our mind whole, then we are able to solve any problem in our life. Generally, we have many problems, complex problems, and you have complex solutions also. If you look your problems, how you solve your problems, many problems, some problems you can solve, some problems you can't. When you solve some problems, after solution, there are multiple complexes. Many complexes arise in your mind. After solution, many complexes arise in your mind. When you don't solve the problem, then you are very much dissatisfied. Problem gives you pain. Many problems. And how we solve? The first important thing, intellectually, in our human society, we solve our problem intellectually. Intellectual people, they offer many theories, many ideas, many concepts. Intellectual solution, there are many intellectual people in our society. They give many theories how to solve your problem. You can see yourself. If you want to solve your economical problem, there are many economists in our country. They give various opinions. If you have health problem, there are many specialized health workers. They give you various advice and you try to solve. Intellectual people, they try to solve your problem through many ideas, through various theories. And we all people up to now, we solve our problems through intellect, through our intellectual, conceptual thinking. Second thing, what you do? Politically, they offer a certain kind of way. If you follow a certain kind of system, a certain kind of pattern, and this pattern is depending on compulsion. This pattern is depending on conformity. What is these two words I applied? Compulsion. You have to follow democracy. There is a compulsion. You have to follow socialism. There is compulsion. And when there is compulsion, there is conformity. What is conformity? You have to imitate the ideal ideas of the state. You have to imitate yourself like a democrat. You have to imitate yourself like a socialist. You have to imitate yourself like a communist. A sad pattern. They offer a sad pattern to solve your problems. Politically, there are various systems. And you know all systems. Communism is there, socialism is there, capitalism is there, normal democracy is there, open market is there, closed market is there, many solutions, many experts. They offer different kind of solutions. If you go to ask religious people, I have problems and I want to solve my problem, then there is an offer. They give you offer also. We can solve your complex problems, but you have to follow a certain kind of pattern laid down by our teachers. You have to follow a certain kind of discipline. You have to become Hindu first. You have to become a follower first. You have to become a disciple first. They laid down a certain kind of system and principle. And if you follow this principle and system, then they promise in future. They don't solve problem. Then promises are there. They promise, we will solve your problem, not this time, but maybe in your next birth, maybe after your death.